Okay, I'm just gonna wait for a few people to join the live, and I want to clear out a few things that I've been reading on Reddit, and I just felt like I should talk about it here. Hi, Bharat. What's happening to the voice? Am I not audible? Bro, okay, guys, I cannot add Adit because of Dubai rules and regulations. Do you have Indian citizenship? Yeah, obviously. Okay. Okay. मुझे मना करके तुम खुद रेडिट खोल लिया मैंने नहीं खोला, मेरे को ख्वाहिश ने भेजा. मैंने अभी तक डाउनलोड नहीं किया रेडिट. मैं करूँगी भी नहीं क्योंकि मेरा माइंड बहुत फक हो जाता है उससे, तो मैं नहीं करूँगी. बॉटम कर ब्रो, आई एम टॉकिंग टू हिम ऑन बॉटम ओनली, आदित्य से, एंड जूम एंड ऑल दैट क्रैप. दिस लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस इज टू बैड. हाउ डिफिकल्ट is to maintain a long distance relationship. So I feel like Adit and I haven't properly done long distance abhi tak, because after the show I was with him in Mumbai, and then he came to Dubai, तो इतना भी distance hit नहीं हुआ है. Dubai, but your heart is with me. Which school did you go to in Dubai? I cannot reveal that. You're so sweet and calm. Thank you. You're very cute. Thank you. Adit is here. Adit is always here, guys. I'm straight but fell for you. Great. Reddit मत खोला करो please. That's what I'm saying. Reddit से मेरा बहुत like मेरे को नहीं पढ़ना है, but मेरे को मेरी बहन थोड़ा थोड़ा बता देती है जब मैं उससे पूछती हूँ what's the time in Dubai. It's 9:08. हामिद. Hi हामिद. Okay, मैं बहुत slow हूँ यार. मैं आई लाइक यू एंड अदित सो मच, बट इन दैट एपिसोड आपने इधर की बात उधर, या तो वही आई नीड टू क्लियर दोज थिंग्स आउट. इसलिए मैं फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट्स फ्रॉम एग्जाम,
Ruru, Naira, everyone's really nice. Sachin is also very nice. Yes, I will be coming to Mumbai soon. Guys, I'm so slow at this. I cannot add anyone because of Dubai rules and regulations. Okay. You can use VPN for WhatsApp video facility. हाँ, वो मैं कर सकती हूँ. मैं नेक्स्ट जब लाइव आऊँगी तब मैं वो ट्राई करूँगी करने का. Thank you.
I love the fact that you always have that smile on your face, give off sunshine energy, and it always makes me love you even more. Please always keep that. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. That made my day. Who's your bestie in Villa? Devangini, Anika, everyone. Rushali. I'm not ignoring you, Anjali. Okay. Okay. So now I need to clear some things out. I feel like this is a good amount of people here, so I will just clear it out. Basically, I don't want to go too much in detail, and I don't want to justify myself or give an explanation, but the word mole that was used in the wrong context, I believe. मेरी और रुशाली की normal बात हो रही थी,
and Shobika came in, and then they started discussing things like हमें रोडीज़ वाले लोगों को निकालना है, या हमें अनिका और आकृति नहीं पसंद है क्योंकि शिवित का कनेक्शन रोडीज़ एंड ऑल दैट क्रैप. So I went and told this to my friends because they are my friends, and मुझे लगा कि मैं अपने दोस्तों को नहीं बताऊंगी तो it'll be unfair. So I just went and told them as a friend, and वो बात फिर धीरे धीरे obviously फैलने लगी. मैंने अनिका और आकृति को बताई थी because it was only related to them. तो मैंने जाके उनसे बात की, and Devangini happened to be there as well, and then Devangini told Anika in what context I don't know, but it's all good guys, it's all sorted. मैंने और रुशाली ने sort कर दिया था because I think Rushali is genuinely a very nice person and I don't want to keep anything against her. But हाँ, जैसे हर वो एपिसोड में जो चीज़ें दिखाते हैं हमेशा उतना अग्रेशन और उतना हाइपर चीज़ें नहीं होती हैं. It's very different, but yeah, कभी कभी it comes off wrong. And the other thing I want to clear,
the other thing I want to clear is about Adit's neck pain. I feel like I should genuinely talk about this because I've been reading a lot of things and I want to take a stand on this. So just because कुछ लोगों को ज़्यादा लगी और कुछ लोगों का खून आ रहा था, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आदित्य को चोट नहीं लगी थी. So I feel like when people are targeting him that he was just pretending and he was just trying to gain sympathy, I don't think that's true at all, because we all were there and everyone over there will agree with me that the impact was so much. Adit didn't even realize the pain, and after like 5 to 10 seconds he couldn't even celebrate his happiness that he reached, because he was still in trauma about the fact that what happened to my neck. So it happened within flash of seconds, like I mentioned in the episode. तो इट वॉज़ वेरी सडन एंड द इम्पैक्ट वॉज सो मच कि उसको रियलाइज़ ही नहीं हुआ, जस्ट बिकॉज उसका खून नहीं आया या उसने इतना एग्जैजरेटेड रिएक्शन नहीं दिया, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि उसके साथ कुछ हुआ नहीं था. वो भी सेम टाइम एम्बुलेंस में गया था और उस रात वो रात को 3 बजे वापस आया है हॉस्पिटल से. तो इट वॉज़ अ प्रिटी बिग डील एंड डे 2 पे इतना सब होना वॉज प्रिटी मेजर. सो या जस्ट बिकॉज उसने इतना बड़ा रिएक्शन नहीं दिया नहीं, उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उसको लगी नहीं थी, उसको भी लगी थी. एंड ऑब्वियसली अरबाज एंड युवराज को भी बहुत लगी थी. दैट होल टास्क वाज सपोज टू बी फन बट बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो गई. तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू क्लियर दैट आउट, जस्ट वांटेड टू पुट इट आउट देयर. ओके. ए देवांगिनी, okay, now I'm gonna read the comments. I saw you on Last Exit Dubai. I was there. I was actually there last exit. I was with Adit. So if you spotted me, you're right. Somi, hi Somi. Bunny? Mohammed? I've never visited Nepal. I would love to. Devangini, shut up. Shut up. I love you. Devangini, come to Dubai. What's wrong with you? Is my voice cracking or is it fine? I want to know. Mumbai ka. Mumbai. Guys, अभी fix नहीं है. Those 2,500 comments are done. Do I reveal my secret? Go for it. Go for it. Reveal your secret. Your secret is not that bad also. I feel like it's pretty normal. I think it's fine. Yeah. You should reveal it. You've promised them, so you have to reveal it. Your voice changes suddenly. I don't know, guys. क्या हो रहा है? I'm your biggest fan. Okay, Mohammed, I'm your biggest fan. What do you mean? Winner roadies है तो right eye blink, नहीं तो left eye blink करो. Reveal your secret. My secret. Guys, my secret was Adit Bhaiya is here. Your voice. Thanks, Adi. Guys, I'm so slow. Okay, guys, I have to reveal my secret now. But wait, why should I reveal my secret? It was Adit's challenge. He's going to reveal his secret. Kanaka also simply take my name, please. Shankar Nanvani. Why don't you follow Akriti? I do follow Akriti, guys. Please, relax.
नहीं गाइस, कुछ भी स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं होता है. जो भी हमें लगी है चोटें, जो भी हम टैन हुए हैं, सब एकदम रियल है. हमको नहीं बोलता है जाके अपना सर किसी के गर्दन पे मारो, प्लीज़. ऐसा तो कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि प्लीज़ जाओ बेहोश हो जाओ या प्लीज़ जाओ कि अपनी सर गर्दन पे मारो. इट्स ऑल रियल, कुछ भी स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है. व्हाट इज़ योर सीक्रेट इन द टास्क?
Kanak, are you friends with Roshali? Yes, I'm very good friends with Roshali. I think she's a sweetheart. My secret, guys, why should I tell my secret? First tell Adit to reveal his secret and then I will think about revealing my secret. My secret is very normal. I don't think you guys should know. I think it's very boring. मेरे को reveal करने का कुछ मतलब नहीं है. It's damn boring. Ish. Love your necklace. Thank you.
Hi, Aman. Okay. Also, if I can't add people to the live because I'm in Dubai, but next time when I come live, I'm I'm gonna do some jugaad and come. Adit has given me some mad suggestions, so I'm gonna try doing that. If it works, it works. But yeah, guys, the main purpose of this live was for me to
clear out two things: the mole scene, obviously, and Adit ka injury. So I hope I've made myself pretty clear.
क्योंकि रेडिट पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें पढ़ने को आ रही थी एंड आई वाज गेटिंग अ बिट आई वाज नॉट गेटिंग bothered, but I was
Getting
getting
a bit like, I felt misunderstood, and I usually don't like explaining myself, but ठीक है, अभी सब कर रहे हैं explain, तो I was like, I'll just explain myself here on this live. Oh shit, I'm slow. Are you friends with Mohammed? Of course I'm friends with Mohammed.
Your secret. Why is Anika not following Akriti? Guys, I don't know. Are you friends with Akriti? Yes, I'm friends with Akriti. Khanak, I'm also Sindhi, please. Aradhna! Bro, my friends. आदित्य and you look cute together. आप दोनों देखने के लिए मैंने आदित्य के व्लॉग्स 3 से 4 बार देख लिए हैं. I love you guys. मैंने भी आदित्य के
Vlogs 3 से 4 बार देख लिए guys. You're the only beauty in the villa. Thank you guys. Rohan, Deepika, hey. How many tattoos do you have? I just have one tattoo, like this one, and it says
it says Har Maidan Fateh. So I got it when I was in 11th standard, and I used to do these adventurous trips. So I used
to go rock climbing and all of those things. So I decided to get this tattoo. मैंने 3 साल किया, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं पूरे 3 सालों को सम अप करने के लिए ये tattoo कर लूँ. मैं आदित्य को ऐड, मैं किसी को भी लाइव पे ऐड नहीं कर सकती, और ना मैं लाइव ज्वाइन कर सकती हूँ किसी की, क्योंकि मैं दुबई में रहती हूँ. एडी ओके. Kanak, do you watch Formula 1? No, I don't watch Formula 1 yaar, sorry. You're too perfect and genuine. Thank you so much. So cute of you to explain his part on this behalf. I mean, I feel like कुछ चीज़ें एक्सप्लेन करनी पड़ती है, बिकॉज सब आप वो 1 घंटे के एपिसोड में नहीं देख पाते हो, तो कुछ चीज़ें वी हैव टू गो आउट ऑफ आवर वे एंड एक्सप्लेन इट. सॉरी मैंने नहीं पढ़ो यार, मैंने जो 4 बार लिखा है, प्लीज़ मेरे को वापस भेजो ना. What do you think about your friendship with Akriti? It's normal. Akriti and Anika, it's normal, guys. Anika and I talk almost every day. We're very close to each other. She's a sweetheart. Guys, I'm friends with everyone. Do you get eliminated next week because we can't see you on the promo? No, guys, I don't know anything. Please. Rashi. Hey, bro, done. Bombay? Done. मैं बहुत स्लो हूँ यार. मीट एंड ग्रीट इन चेन्नई, डेफिनेटली. आर यू इंडियन? येस, आई एम इंडियन. Adit started holding his neck immediately after reaching the finish line before people started noticing Yuvraj's blood. He just laid down and it's so evident in episode. Thank you. Yes, it's very evident. Your teeth are so cute. Thank you. When is Dracula Vagnani back? Guys, आज मैं खून देख के आई हूँ, तो I don't know who's the Dracula now. आज मैं खून देख के आई हूँ. आदित्य को बुलाओ. आदित्य. हर मैदान फतेह. Yes, guys. Kashish, hi Kashish. What are you studying? I'm done with my studies, guys. मैंने हाई स्कूल में कॉमर्स विद मार्केटिंग किया है, and then I did theatre and performance with Enterprise from University of Leeds in the UK, and I did business with marketing at Harriet Ward University, Dubai. I'm graduated now, so dude, I'm not thinking of Manjose Habibi Adit Minocha. I like that. You're thinking of getting new. No, I'm not thinking of getting any tattoos anymore because because I work in Dubai as a model, they always end up covering my tattoos anyways, like with makeup and stuff. So I don't think I want to get more tattoos. Sigma Minocha and Dracula Vagnani. That's crazy, guys. Kanak, your favorite song? I listen to a lot of Afro music, so my current favorite is Kilometer by Burna Boy, but I listen to everything, honestly. Guys, कोई winner नहीं है, कोई नहीं जीता ये show, सब हार गए. Next vlog ban. Adit Minocha is